Question on how to replace a water and ice filter on a GE profile refrigerator. Very simple. First, this green light usually turns red when it's time to change the filter, but never did, so I'm changing it now. GE recommends to change it every 6 months. This unit has the MWF water filter model, and it is on the right side upper shelf area. By the way, there's no need to turn off the water to the unit to do this, and all you have to do is reach in and you turn the filter counterclockwise. Just make sure you hold it upright since it does have water in it, and put it upside down in the sink. Unwrap the new filter and pre-fill it with water. This avoids air pockets to form in the water line. Now just realign the filter to the casing and turn it until you feel the notches engage. Turn it clockwise to tighten it until it's locked into place. The new filter comes with 12 stickers, one for each month. Peel off the month that you replace this filter and it reminds you of the next one. Important step is to run a couple of gallons of water to get all the excess sediments out. Now the water filter I used is a generic made by GLACIER Fresh. The filter model is GF-MWF. It fits GE and Kenmore refrigerators. They're made from organic compressed coconut shell carbon. It has been approved by NSF and ANSI for chlorine reduction. I bought a 3-pack from Amazon and saved a few dollars. You've now completed the installation. Hope this helps. Check out the links below for any parts, accessories, and you all have a great day.